So today I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. And as we're going through this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below to allow us to make more free content just like this. Now, first and foremost, we're on the home page of the iOS version of Cash App. And what we want to do is go ahead and click on this little house icon right over here on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Now, if by chance as we're going through this, you do not already have Cash App, check out the link in the show notes down below or the QR code right over here on screen to go ahead and get you started. Now here on this section right here, you can actually see where it says Bitcoin. We're going to tap right over here. And this is actually going to tell you you can buy Bitcoin with as little as $1. I'm actually going to show you how that is going to be possible. So we're going to tap over here where it says buy Bitcoin in nice blue. And here it's going to ask you how much you want to go ahead and buy. You can see that low $1. You can also buy up to $100. Now, something to keep in mind, there are going to be, of course, fees associated here. So I just want to show you this. We're going to hit the $1 marker here. Click on next. It's going to have us do our Face ID logged in. Now, if you don't already have a bank account on file, it will ask you to go ahead and add a bank account on file or a debit card if you would like to. So you can see currently it has our debit card right here on file, what it's going to purchase for, and then how much it's going for in the current recording, how much the exchange rate is, and then how much you're actually going to get. So for us, it's going to be a $3 fee with a total of $1. So if you wanted to technically get exactly $1, you can put a little bit more, or of course you could do $10, $20, $30, however much you need. And then we're going to click on confirm right over here at the bottom. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, there are different features and benefits when it comes to using Cash App, and we got you fully covered here at True Financials. So check out our video right over here on screen to keep on learning.